In this video, I will show you how to wrap text around your picture in PowerPoint like as shown on screen. It's possible to do this using multiple text boxes or using spacebar to do it manually, but it's possible to do this even quicker. First, you want to go to Insert in the ribbon and click on Object, and here you want to add a Microsoft Word document. This will generate a mock Word document within PowerPoint, and here you can add your text, customize it and change fonts. Now you want to have a picture where this text can wrap around. Simply go to Insert in the ribbon and click on Picture, and here you can add your picture. When you've added your picture, click on it and go to Picture Format in the ribbon. You want to go to Wrap Text and you want to pick Through, and here it automatically wraps around your picture. Adjust the size of the text box to fit your PowerPoint presentation. To exit this mock Word document, you want to double click next to the text box. And when you're back, you can adjust the size of this text box once more if you need it. And there you have it. I hope this video helped. Consider subscribing and I will see you next time.